Hey there, you're watching Gardens and Graveyards, and today we are in Peoria, Oregon at the Peoria Farm Market. We have not been here before and it's fairly close to home, so we're looking forward to seeing what they have. Love that combo. That's cute.
That's really good.
Look at those.
Swing.
Individual swings?
Yeah.
Love them.
It's awesome. That's very
They're really
you.
comfy.
That is very you.
It's like perfect reading chair.
Yeah. I like it. Hey, it's storks, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, the storks. I like them. Or, are they storks? Oh, they're two different kind of birds. There's that one and that one. A heron. No, look at his weird beak. I don't know what it is. There's the phlox that I can't grow.
Is this annual? Annual? Or
No, they're perennials.
buy them that big then. Stuff like that.
Mildew resistant.
That's cool. That's a good to say.
I like the super fuzzy astilbe. Ours are so airy.
Yeah.
Those are fun. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
Someday.
All these super fun colors.
Oh, look at that. I like it. The metal horse.
Oh, look at all the fun little things over there.
I know.
I like the little, whatever that is, spinner thingy. Look at the cute little birds. Cute. Those are cute. Like it. I like this.
Yeah. Oh, I do too.
I like that.
You're sharing it. That's not bad.
That's nice. Like it. Oh, this different color foxglove.
I know, it's in your glasses.
Goats? They look like they're glowing. Yeah, that looks like the planter that I wanted to buy the other day. Look at those lilies. Beautiful. These ones.
Oh my God.
It's the size of our gazebo, birdcage gazebo thing. It's so tempting to put like a beautiful centerpiece like that right in it. I kind of want it a place to sit, but I kind of want to just make it fun like that. I don't know.
Yeah, that would be beautiful though.
I don't know. Look at those baskets down there. You see them? They're huge. Oh, all inside there too. No, I like it. It's pretty. I think so.
Oh yeah, that one is.
It is. It's this. It's the. Well, it says sun. It's not the Wicked Witch, but it's very similar. That's fun. Sun to full sun to part shade.
This one I love this one.
That's pretty awesome.
That's awesome.
No, they both are. Those are beautiful. Gargara Lindheimer.
A reblooming lilac.
Love that together.
Yeah,
so pretty.
Reblooming, which is awesome. small little rooms. That was cool.
I want a fig.
Why? Because I have to clean up the damn thing.
Huh?
And I'll just have to clean up the things and they fall on the ground.
Look.
I know. That
I want that
look
right
at
there.
that.
I know, I do love that little tunnel.
Look at the spice and that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the bushes.
Giant butterfly. But I really love that. That's so pretty.
That's cool.
It matches those swings that I liked up there. Are pretty close.
That's very awesome.
Beautiful.
Oh, a pretty color.
Here's the annual house.
Oh, so amazing.
Fun! Reminds me of Disneyland. Like Disneyland for flowers. I like that. There it is.
It would have gone that good for us.
Wait. How big do you think that is? Like,
Oh, 3
3
by
feet?
3. 3 by 3.
sheesh. They're huge.
Those are pretty.
I really love those dark.
Those are kind of pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And then powdery purple.
No, that purple one right there.
Oh yeah.
The black one.
Yeah.
Some cool looking tree right there. Look at all those colors. So beautiful. It's really fun. Oh my goodness. Some lavenders. A whole bunch of different lavenders. Provence. Munstead. Heidecote. There's all kinds of lavenders over there.
Oh yeah.
Which these are the sun coleus, which we never get to see anywhere.
So one
And
year
the sun patients and the sun coleus, it's good to know that they have them. Oh, the sun.
I love these things.
Just love the sun so much.
It's striking
It really is.
foliage and incredible.
So those are fun. You see those? Flower pouches. That's kind of cool.
I think I've seen them.
I don't think I've seen them in bloom
Yeah,
though.
not in bloom, right? That's what I was gonna say.
Really fun. The begonias, like, love it.
There you go.
They're all begonias. I don't know if there's other kinds, but they're pretty. Look at that lily.
Telling you, we should pot up our cocoa and sell it.
It's so pretty. Appropriately named. Blacklist.
Wow.
What is that thing over there? Those are pretty. Those like a lot of heat.
So we've got the red variety. That one is peach when it emerges. I think that one over there is sunset.
Look at that one.
This one,
Oh, there they are.
Arizona.
Oh. Look at this.
I should have left my credit card at home.
What is this thing?
Weird.
false indigo. Oh, baptisia. Oh, I didn't realize how like beefy they were. They get like big flower stalks.
Oh, yeah,
Huh.
yeah.
Cool.
These are the things we got.
Mhm.
Yeah,
All those
yeah.
bright orange and red and yellow flowers. Oh, what's this thing? What? Mallow?
Yeah, look at this right here. They remind me of something you see in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. You can eat. Hey, Hunter. Hey, Hunter. Lots of houses. Big.
Oh my goodness. Spencer just entered heaven.
Astapalooza.
Look at all those hostas. Ah, look at the figs. I already have figs on them. Yay.
Unfortunately, we have all these.
Hmm?
We have all these.
You have all these? Look how blue that one is, though.
No.
I don't have any that are like striking glow. I feel like if they're not up against something green, they just don't have that. Like you don't see the blue.
Right. Yeah, that could be good. Like
So,
those.
because we do have some that are bluish.
I know we do, especially that one is one of the new ones that we're going to move, I think.
Now we're gonna have to plant it with some
Blue
blue hostas.
Blue hosta, yeah.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
Oh. I like the purple against there too. It's really pretty.
I like those, I really like that. You gotta hear it. I really like that look.
You like that combo?
No, I do.
To do that next year.
I like the whole jellyfish look.
Oh, these are impatiens in those pouches. I'm loving these little pouches. So fun.
Variegated hydrangeas.
Huh?
Variegated hydrangeas.
A variegated hydrangea? How cool is that?
You got a thing.
Yeah. It is.
How weird is that?
Lemon wave lace cap hydrangea.
That's freaking awesome.
Super cool. Well, great. I thought we had all the
Nope.
I had all the types of hydrangeas, and now we have to get that one.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Look at this. I really like the texture on this.
Yeah, it's cool. I do too. What is it?
It's snake root.
Snake
It's very
root.
witchy. No, black snake root. Chocoholic.
The old snake root.
And then this one. I like this one too. So fun. I'm on the wrong side though. Okay, go around. Can't reach. What is this thing? Bronze Peacock Rogers flower. Shade Loving. I don't know.
You find your cards?
Sheesh, I thought that was an 8. It's a $sign.
Do I need to find a way?
I thought that said that the plant was $839.
Oh, God.
Oh, I like that. That's really cool. Hellebores. Okay, I'll go back around. Get my spikenard. This also like this. What is this? It's a toad lily. Look how cute that is. It's cute. Okay. Off we go. That's pretty.
God, that clematis is pretty though. The clematis is all green.
Okay. Here these are the plants that we picked up at the Peoria farm stand. So we have a licorice plant to replace the one that died in the medicine garden. And then we picked up this black and white dianthus. So pretty, and it fades to like this, if you could tell, but it fades to this beautiful dark maroon, deep red color. And then 3 of the bachelor buttons or cornflowers, which I've wanted in my garden for a long time. I even have a tattoo of one because I love them so much. And how fun would they be if they were actually planted with this rose campium? Ah! And then we picked up a Sun King spikenard for the mermaid garden. Exciting! Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with us while we walked around the farm market today. It was a beautiful day and it's been so much fun to share what we saw with you. Until next time, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!